guys, right here we have our regular iPad, and we're gonna go on and factory restore this one. So let's just get started. We need to log into it, obviously, so go into it. Then from here, go into your settings. So just look for wherever your settings are at. In your settings, you have to look for general, so that's down here below. Scroll all the way down, transfer, reset iPad. From here all the way down, erase, and then going to continue. What will this do? This will delete everything from your iPad, which does include Apple ID. So whatever Apple ID this has, it will delete it. Now it's gonna delete the Apple ID from within the iPad. It's not gonna delete the actual Apple ID, so you guys can still use it on your iPhone, another iPad. You guys can set this one up again using the same Apple ID or another one, depends. But right now, it's literally deleting everything. Pictures, all information, everything. So it's gonna be back to when you first bought it, brand new. There you go. You guys can set it up again once this is done. We're just gonna see the welcome screen and that would be it. So for now, just let it be. It's only gonna take a couple seconds and you're gonna be done with the factory reset. All right, so once it's done, once it's fully done, you're gonna see this. So this will be on your screen, the welcome. You can set it up again just by scrolling up. Just set it up again. Or if you're returning this, selling it, you don't really need to set it up, although you can set it up. And you can set it up without any personal information, Apple ID and all that stuff. You guys can skip all that, by the way, if you want that another person to just try it out before they buy it. But if you're done with this, you guys can go on and turn it off to force shutdown. You shut down any iPad, really. Just press this. These are your keys for your volume. Press the up one and then your power button. Press those at the same time. Once you do that, you're gonna see this on your screen to power off. So it's gonna say power off, slide, and it's completely powered off. So if you guys really want to turn off your iPad, that's the proper way to do it. It's gonna be fully turned off. And that would be it for this video. Anyways, if you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.